Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in printing binary tree levels in sorted order. First, let us take an example. We create an empty queue and two priority queues, current level and next level. We use null as a separator between two levels. Whenever we encounter null in normal level order traversal, we swap current level and next level. Now, let us have a look at the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 7, to function print level order. So, root will point to 7. We create a queue and two priority queues, current level and next level. Next, we push the root node and a null delimiter into the queue. Also, we push the root node in the current level priority queue. Since the queue is not empty, we enter the while loop and take a variable data which points to the top of current level priority queue. So, data will point to 7 and a node which points to the front of the queue. Since node is not null, we omit the if statement and print data. So 7 is printed. Next, we pop element from the queue and current level priority queue. Then we enqueue the left and right children of node into the queue and next level priority queue. So 16 and 1 will be enqueued. We continue with the while loop as the queue is not empty. Now node will point to null. As node is pointing to null, the if condition is satisfied and we pop null from the queue. Since the queue is not empty, we push a null delimiter and swap current level with next level. We resume execution of the while loop. Now data will point to 1 and node will point to 16. As node is not null, we print data. Hence, 1 is printed. Next, we pop element from the queue and current level priority queue. Now, we enqueue the left and right children of node 16 in the queue and next level priority queue. We continue with the while loop and now data will point to 16 and node points to 1. Since node is not null, we print data and pop element from queue and current level priority queue. Since the left and right child of 1 does not exist, nothing is enqueued and we continue with the while loop. Now node will point to null. As node points to null, the if condition is satisfied and we pop an element from the queue. Now, as the queue is not empty, we push a null delimiter into the queue. Next, we swap current level priority queue with next level priority queue. We continue with the while loop and now data will point to 4 and node will also point to 4. Since node is not null, we print data. Next, we pop element from queue and current level priority queue. Since the left and right of node is null, nothing is enqueued into the queue and we continue with the while loop. Now, data and node points to 13 and we print data. Next, we pop 13 from the queue and current level priority queue. Since left and right of 13 are null, nothing is enqueued and now node points to null. As node is null, we pop null from the queue. Now, as the queue is empty, we break out of the while loop and we have the final output. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.